Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little shooting instead of fishing. Got a good friend of mine that's in town, and we're over at a shooting range that I actually have a business with. It's called Volt Airsoft. You can check that out on YouTube. And right now we're gonna go inside and we're gonna have some fun. So stay tuned. So let's head on inside and check out the range. So this is the shooting range. I don't know if you guys can see all that. This is where we like to shoot targets and have some fun. We hold competitions here. That's the cool gun wall over there. You guys can check that out. And yes, we do shoot all these guns in here. So check it out, huh? Pretty cool. So over here, on this part of the thing, we got some nifty pistols that we're gonna be shooting. Right here, check this out. Nice compact 45. Sweet that. Nice 45. Here's another compactor. Glock. Smith & Wesson 9mm. CZ P09, which is one of my favorites. Anyway, we're gonna do some video shooting of us shooting and have a little mini competition and see how it goes. All right, so we're getting loaded up right now. Kevin's over there loading ammo, loading up in these magazines right here. Gonna get ready to shoot some targets and see which one of us is a better shot. Say hey, Kevin.
All right, everybody, here we go.
So basically, like I said, it doesn't matter which way you're gonna run. The best way to do it, like I said, slow, smooth as fast. Make sure your shit's all cleared. All the other triggers pressed. Ready to go. Check your stuff out of the way. You don't need to shoot it. Doesn't matter how you shoot it. Just the way you want to run it. I do shoot it a certain way because it's speed time and it does make a difference how you shoot it. So how you figure that out is on you, on whatever works for you. So I'm going to start, kind of run through it. I probably won't shoot that because I haven't shot it once now. So this is how it goes. So 1365, first round. Like I said, when you're done, there's one round left in there. Clear it. Bring it up. Steam it around, stuff the gun, move the word on the shoot. And when you're doing these targets from here, you'll shoot, make sure you pull out, pull in, pull out, pull in. If you don't, you're going to smack into the circle. You'll start extending yourself enough when you kind of push it through there a little bit, and you'll have to hit that amount of push. You ready? Good. First two shots were good. Nailed the first two shots. I want to shoot a different gun. Go ahead, sir.
Any suggestions?
Alright, so hey, turn around. This is my sweetheart, love, Darcy. She's also my partner in this crazy shooting business, and we love her to death. And she's gonna be a badass today and show how girl power does it.
Right, sure. Absolutely.
Alright, so I'll be left. Alright, and here's the deal. I'll edit the whole video.
Right.
And I'll let you see it before I post it.
Awesome.
Is that fair?
I like it.
Okay. She may not hit the broadside of the barn, but we still love her. She's actually a pretty good shot. So, you tell me when you're ready.
No.
Reload. None of this.
14. I don't know. I think there might be like 16 or
Oh, she's gonna go right.
18. I don't know.
So here's the deal. We're supposed to do 15 rounds per mag. She's cheating. Because she's adding extra ones. Let it go hard. Make sure you feel it and then let it go. Don't do it, because that's what when you do it softly like that, and then you knock it out. So you gotta really get it back in there and make it move. Alright, so line up everyone on the end. I'll edit that for you. Are you ready? Hold on. Stop. Let's find what's going on first. Let's see what's going on. Let me see. It's you. Yes, it's you. Of course it's me. A lot of people want to blame the equipment and not the user.
Take 3.
Ready?
Different gun this time.
Alright, so remember this again. Slow, smooth, fast. So don't be in a hurry. Take your time. If you miss a shot, take a second, take a breath, refocus, and then kind of reround. Because you've already, like you sat there and you shot 4 targets and you were on 2 and you're like bam, and for some reason you get off. So when that happens, don't get flustered. Just readjust yourself, take a quick breath, and then reevaluate what you're doing and fire. You know, don't be in a hurry. You get a quick time just by being smooth with the gun. So it's not about being speed. Speed comes after you've been practicing a lot and muscle memory comes. So just take your time and roll through it, and then that speed will come. But you always got to keep that in your mind. Slow, smooth, fast. Don't be in a hurry. That's when you make mistakes. So it's not about being fast. That comes with practice, and you'll see. You just take your time and you do it right, you'll get a really good time. So, and I've showed people that a million times. I'm like, wow, you're right. So you tell me when you're ready. From a 37.06 to a 17.70. That's what you call a little bit of instruction, paying attention, and doing it right. Now you feel better, right? Darcy!
I just went from a 37 to a 17.
Woohoo!
Do I have to wait till you're...
No. Oh, you want to
He
shoot?
shot me in the butt one
I
time.
did shoot her in the last ones.
Yeah.
It's just you go out and
I
shot
held
her.
a grudge ever since.
I've offered to let you shoot me many times, and you have not taken it up. So I don't know what to tell you about that. Other than I've let you do it anytime you want to. So you're waiting. You're waiting to get me one day when I least expect it. That's what's going on. Okay.
Yes. Ready to go.
Are you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Ready to go?
Go.
And I left my magazine over there instead of here. What? That's 19 targets in 23.45 seconds.
Awesome.
So that's a little over a second per target. So that wasn't too bad considering I haven't shot in a few months over here. And we're doing pretty good so far. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Try to get you some shots of the targets actually getting knocked down. So we're back from the shooting range. We had a great time. It was a lot of fun. I actually own that range with a friend of mine. The gal you saw in the video, she's my business partner. We try to put events on there every 3 months or so. We usually put on a competition shooting, and we give away free guns and gear and stuff like that and prizes. If you guys want to check that out and see what we do as far as the competitions go, you can go to our other site, which is www.voltairsoft.com, and you can check out our tactical shooting range that we run and stuff that we do there. And check it out. If you guys like it, give us a holler. We can set up an event for you. On that note, if you guys ever come fishing with me, anybody comes fishing with me and you spend a day or two with me, you'll probably get to go to the range and shoot guns if you like to do that and get to shoot a lot of cool stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a little something different than fishing, but it is something else I like to do. It is, you know, outdoorsy and have a lot of fun with it. So do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Help me build up my channel. Appreciate everybody out there. Just say thanks to everybody that started supporting me. And get out there, get your lines wet, and catch some fish, and we'll see you soon.